This is the G5 Max. G5 Max can be installed on the desktop. Open the package, you will see the following items. Here's a quick look at what we'll be doing. Step 1. Inserting the nano SIM card into the SIM card slot. Step 2. Installing the network cable. Take out the connection kit. Disassemble the connection kit. The rubber seal can be opened to insert the network cable. Remove the plug from the rubber seal. Thread the flat network cable through the back of the cradle. Pass the network cable through the connection kit and cover plate. Connect the RJ45 connector to the network port. Push the cover plate upwards until it is secured, and then use the screw anti-theft removal wrench to install the cover plate on G5 Max. Tighten the shell to the cover plane. Attach the seal jaw to the rubber seal. Attach the rubber seal to the shell. Tighten the nut onto the shell. Adjust the length of this cable and place the device in the cradle. Connect the network cable from the G5 Max to the network port on the PoE adapter. Connect the power connector on the PoE adapter to the socket. Step 3. Using Install Helper app to find the best signal. Use your mobile phone and open the App Center and search for Install Helper application. Connect to G5 Max based on the guidance in Install Helper app, and move or rotate G5 Max with cradle to find the best signal. Step 4. Connecting the PoE adapter and indoor router. Connect the network port on the PoE adapter to your indoor router with the network cable and power on the indoor router. G5 Max installation process has been successfully completed. Enjoy your network.